Hi, I'm Anupa and I welcome you to this new recipe that I'm going to try with you today. I'm going to make cheesy masala pav. It's a super popular street food and it's also very easy. Let's quickly get to it. So what we'll do first is we need to roast the bread. Let's just place it here while it's getting heated. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some butter, and on the bread will get toasted. What we can do is turn this and cook the other side as well. Butter has to go here as well. Okay, so the bread, as you can see, is really nicely roasted in butter. We'll take it out and keep it back in the plate. And now let's get to the masala. Let's take some oil and a little bit of butter as well. Now to this, we'll need to add some garlic paste. And after you add the garlic, just saute it up nicely in the tawa. And after garlic goes in, the onion. Saute it up so the onions are almost soft. At this stage, let's add some pav bhaji masala powder, chopped capsicum, and some freshly chopped tomatoes. Now let's add salt to the tomatoes. Just mix this up. Well, this masala has been cooking for a while now. Let's add some red chilli powder to this. So I'm adding some butter here. And after you do this, just incorporate the butter inside the masala and just place a lid over it like this. In the meanwhile, we've got some processed cheese here. So I think this cheese is enough, and let me show you the masala. We're going to mash this up. So the masala is almost done. So some lemon juice, some fresh coriander, and this processed cheese which we've grated. Now over this we'll add some chopped onion and some coriander as well. So now that we have our pav done, I'll show you how we'll plate this. Take a spoon of the masala, the cheese, the onion and the coriander and place it over the pav. Cover it up, put it on the plate. So this was our favorite street food masala pav with a cheesy twist. Make this at home because it's tasty and I'm sure you all will love it.